Hi everybody, how's it going? We are here at Hersheypark and we are going to try out the Pepsi Pop Star. This is a brand new experience. I'm not quite sure what it's going to entail, but it opens today, so we're going to check it out.
You know what it says on the picture? Other side, the left side. Okay, you hear when it makes that noise?
Yeah.
Hold it a little bit. There you go. Put it. Hang on. Do it again. Alright, when it makes that noise, that means it likes you. So put that down. Okay, just you wanted to make sure it makes that noise so it'll read you. Now it's going to take your picture, so you go over and stand over there and match your face up with the camera that's going to pop up on there. Then basically everything else is either going to be right or left hand movements like we did before, okay? Perfect.
Okay.
So if you guys have any questions, just let us know, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So you can pull down the camera for those of you that have children or are not as tall as Andrew. Alright, so Colt's retaking his picture now that we know how this all works. Step a little closer, maybe. Smile! Alright, so now we are customizing our avatar, it looks like. Oh, of course.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the first option.
Alright, Colt's going with the Pop Titan. And you either raise your left or right hand to confirm or
There we go.
choose the next one. Now we get to customize it. So we can change the colors.
How do I change color? Oh, I like that.
Like that one? Let me make sure that. Alright, time to head to the studio. Alright, so I think you can pick your song now. So we have Cool Again by Keith Brown, Dance Monkey, Girl Like Me, Imagine Dragons, and it's a beginner. So they're rated too. Need a quick lesson on how to play?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna take the quick lesson really quick.
Hey, I got good.
Alright, now we're gonna try a complicated move.
Do I need to use the
I don't know, we'll see. It looks like this is mostly arm movements. I like the deep fake Colt and myself.
I didn't know what to do. I scored no points on that one. That was horrible. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Says he's a true pop star.
Yay.
If nothing else, these booths are really cool.
Yeah.
Nice and air conditioned.
Hey.
Hey, we've arrived at Hersheypark. All right, we have arrived at Hersheypark, and that means that the song has started. So I'm just going to kind of throw a couple clips on here of the boys dancing. It is very much like Just Dance. You match up the movements with your hands and arms, and you receive a score during the dance. The boys really seem to enjoy it, and I'll let Colt explain how much he liked it afterwards. It is a nice air-conditioned booth. It's a good place to get out of the sun for a few minutes. And it's definitely something unique and interesting. it's, you're playing Just Dance on a big old Microsoft Kinect or PlayStation Move, but you've got your own avatar. It's all branded and really like for the 7, 8, 9, 10-year-old age group that I think this is targeted for. It's something that they can really get into and kind of feel like they're important and fancy. The songs are rated on a scale of beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and the boys both chose It's Time by Imagine Dragons, so we only saw a beginner song. I'd be curious to see how advanced the moves get in the intermediate and advanced. But ultimately, this is definitely something that folks who enjoy different things at theme parks can probably get into. And at least for now, it's free. So you really can't argue with that. And the concert fades. So he got an amazing 373,500 points. Now we got this fun little video. Alright, we have a code to scan so we can download our video. Yep, that's it. I've got the video. It's downloaded. We can watch it later. Alright, let's check out some of the merch. There's a very specific Hersheypark Pepsi Pop Star merch. I know the plan was to have more of these pop up everywhere. This is a concept. You got your fanny packs.
It's too big for me. Wait, what's that? Is it too big for me? You get it down the coat hanger?
These are very, like...
Because I don't know. I might be that one.
Kind of like that shirt.
Wait.
That's a woman's cut. You got cups and bucket hats.
For completing it. For completing.
Like that, I don't hate.
Could we get this?
Oh. That's a cool hoodie too. So the merch game's strong if you like Pepsi. You like Pepsi.
I feel like we need to do this more. You need to do it, Ronan.
Alright, so Colty, what did you think of that?
It was very good.
Yeah? Was it difficult to do the dancing?
Yeah. No, it actually wasn't. Like, you just had to get it in the right spots.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it was a bit difficult, like, moving around, like...
What would you compare it to?
Just Dance.
Okay. So it was very, if you're good at Just Dance, it was very similar?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I got a good score for my first time.
Yeah. So there is a score, so you can keep track and maybe come back and try to beat that another time?
Yeah.
Alright.
I feel like I want to do it perfect.
Every time we come?
Yeah.
Alright. Anything else to add?
It was a good experience.
Awesome. Alright.
Like, you can do that. I mean, I could do that for like 1 hour. That was a good experience.
Alright, we'll catch you next time on Park Rovers. Make sure to like and subscribe. From Hersheypark. We'll see you later.